We went camping last month, and after a long day of hiking and setting up camp, all we wanted was something warm and comforting to eat. So we made cozy camping noodles with fluffy eggs, simple, hearty, and the perfect bowl to end the day under the stars. We heated a pot of water on our little camping stove and placed a skillet beside it so we could cook both parts at once. When the water started to bubble, we tossed in a handful of chopped cabbage and let it soften. Next came our favorite instant noodles. We added the seasoning packet and let the cabbage simmer until tender. Then we dropped in the noodles, gave everything a good stir, and let them soak up all that savory flavor. In the skillet, we cracked 4 eggs one by one, sprinkled in a pinch of salt and pepper, and tossed in some chopped green onions. After a quick stir, the eggs turned fluffy and golden around the edges. When the noodles were ready, we ladled them into bowls with the tender cabbage and warm broth, then topped each with the fragrant, fluffy eggs. Sitting beside the campfire, wrapped in our jackets, we shared that steaming bowl of noodles. Cozy, simple, and so satisfying.